Fusion has an inbuilt messaging system. You can access your most recent messages from the dashboard panel, or you can click on the header of the messaging panel. You can click on messages via quick links here or in the top menu. Messaging is very like an internal email system. By default, it's set up that students can only send messages to staff and not to each other. It's set up like a very simple email system. You have an inbox, a sent box, an archive, and if you have the rights to do so, you also have access to the messaging policies. So on this system, students can only send messages to teachers, and students can send pop-up messages. Most schools have this set to students cannot send pop-ups, and you can update that. If I go back to my home or my inbox, each message has options of what I can do to it, and I can also send a new message. To save time, it immediately narrows down who I want to send my message to. So I'm going to send my message to the members of a learning space. I'm going to choose my art club, add the subject, and tick if I want to send the message as a pop-up that pops up when people log in. I then add the contents of the message, and that might include images, links, videos, and even attached files. And when you're happy with the contents of your message, just scroll down to the bottom and click Send. So let's log in as a member of the group who received the message. And you can see straight away this message pops up as a pop-up message when they log in, and they can follow the link to see whatever it is you want them to see. This makes the messaging system an effective and targeted way of contacting anyone at all who uses Fusion.